Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manually install Windows updates. First of all, welcome to my first tutorial on YouTube. This is my computer. So let's begin. There are mainly two reasons why you want to do this. The first one is you have a failure in Windows Update. You cannot use it, and for some reason you need to install specific updates, or the exact updates Windows is failing to install. Mostly it will help, but there are many cases that it will not. The second reason is mainly because you need to install a software, a program for example, but this program needs a specific update in order to work. There are a few cases with this scenario. So let's begin. I'm sure that if you're looking for this specific term, manually installing Windows updates, you know the reason why you want to do this. So let's begin. We open up Google, the search engine. It really doesn't matter if you use Google, Bing, Yahoo. Yahoo is best on Bing. Yes. So let's type in Google Microsoft Update Catalog. Oops. Alright, so in Google we type Microsoft Update Catalog and go into the first option. So here we are in the website. Really looks like an old Windows 7 styled or Windows Vista styled design, but that's for the Microsoft enthusiastic just like me, so maybe you are too. Okay, so here we have a search box. Here we search the name of the update and we find it, and then we look for the exact version that we are looking for. I have in my settings I have also so I came up with an update name. It's a code actually. It may seem as a code to non-familiar users with this. It always starts with a KB and then a number. So let's search it, and then we will find there are 5 options. Each option is based on a different system. For example, x64 based system, it means you have a 64-bit processor. But as you can see, this is Windows Server, so it means it's not for Windows 10. If you have Windows 10, just like me, which is most probably what you're running, if you're watching this tutorial, maybe you're running Windows 7, XP, Vista 8, doesn't matter. In this website you have updates from all the history of Microsoft, even the Windows 9X era. Okay. So I will go with each option and explain a little bit. The first one I already did. The second one is for Windows 10 version 2004. I'll explain it in a future tutorial. Every Windows 10 have a version because Microsoft updates it every half a year approximately. If you don't know what version of Windows do you have, you can check it pretty quick. You go to Settings, System. In System, I think it's About, if I'm not mistaken, and yes, I'm not mistaken, Windows Specifications version 2004. In case you didn't know, 20 means the current year, 2020, and 04 means April, because this update came out in April of 2020. Never mind. Next is and it's for x86 based system. It means you have a 32-bit processor. I'll show you later how to check if you're 64-bit or 32-bit computer. Most users these days are 64-bit computers, but there are some 32. Next. This is the same as the previous one, only for x64 based system. It means 64-bit. Okay, this is important. ARM or ARM, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, to be honest. 64, it means for the ARM processors. It's like a processor of your smartphone. Most computers don't run it. It's pretty new technology, and I'm sure that if you have a computer or a tablet or whatever you're gonna call it that runs this kind of processors, knows it. Most users are going to run Intel or AMD processors. Actually, I'm not sure if Microsoft is selling licensed versions of this operating system, of the ARM-based. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, my machine, show you pretty quick how to check if your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit. You go to the File Explorer, Windows Explorer, whatever, where you can see the files. Go to this PC, right click and Properties. Alright, so here we can see pretty easily what system type, it calls it like that. So I have a 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This is compatible for this version of the update. So let's download it. We just click on the download button. Click on this link. Alright guys, so after I showed you where the updates is, here you can download them, and after you install them, you maybe need to restart your computer, and that's it. This is the whole process. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, I would really appreciate it if you click the like button and write me feedback, what you think about the video. If you have any questions, this is more important, you can write to me in the comment section. I'll try to answer every question. For now, this channel is very low on views, we just began, so I have plenty of time to answer each comment, so use this. And that's it. This is the whole video. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I think that the only difficult thing in this tutorial is actually to find this website, because it took me some time not to actually search it, because it's really easy to search Microsoft Catalog. I didn't know of its existence back in the day when I really needed it. So I hope that by making this tutorial I will make your life a bit easier, at least when it comes to computing, because this is what we're going to discuss in this channel and in a few video games. That's it. If you're new to this channel and you want to know what else is going to be on this channel, we have an introduction video. It's the first video of the channel. You can check it out. That's it. So I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.